Okay, so welcome back to Survival and Project Croatia. So thanks for joining me in. Today we're going to look at the MilTec Assault Pack Large and we'll make review on it. So stay tuned and let's see how it looks like. So first we'll start with the specs of the backpack. Now it's made from 600D Cordura with PVC coated from the inside, and the coating is very nicely made, so it will hold even heaviest terrain, so that's the plus. Capacity is 36 liters and dimensions are 51 by 29 by 28 centimeters, so it's not so big and not too large. Now I will now show you how it looks from the inside, and we'll go through the cons and pros and final conclusion. Let's check it out. So we'll start from the front pockets. On the top you have the small one, and there's nothing special inside, no inserts here. It's just a basic pocket. I put some food inside just for the show. Let's go to this lower compartment. Now I put binoculars inside just for the show. You have these inserts here, one big, one a bit smaller, and three small ones. And it has enough space to put something like these binoculars inside. Now we'll go to the middle one. I have no strap. This stuff here, like this. It's my knife in there, hammock, and the small tarp for sitting. And you have inserts here, two mesh here and one main here. It's, I don't know, you can put whatever you want inside, small camera, cell phone or whatever. And in the base, the first one here, and this is why I like this kind of backpack for the traveling. Now if you put it like this, open it all the way, you have it like traveling case, so you can put your clothes nicely stashed inside, so you don't have to search and put your arm all the way through the backpack to find something that you need. So just for the show I put two MREs inside, and here you have one small pocket here and mesh insert here. I'll close it up. Also the zippers are very nicely made, which I'll say more about later. And on the back you have this pocket here for the hydration pack, which I kind of don't like, and I always like it that it's from the inside. Alright, so I'd like to start with the cons first, so we can move forward on the pros. Now, first thing I noticed when I was carrying it is that the shoulder straps are too hard, and they really are if you compare it to my other backpack. And one more thing that I don't like are the stitches over here, so it's very thinly made. Now second thing that I don't like is the back here, and there's no ventilation space, and your back will get very sweaty very fastly. Now it has some kind of channels inside, but it's not enough. Also the backs, there is no hard insert at the back, so in case you don't stash it nicely, it will stick out and it will hurt your back, that's for the sure. Now from this side, one thing I don't like is these straps. Now for the reason that there is no hard insert in case you want to compress it, because it has these compress straps here. When you compress it like this, and from this bottom side you will end up with this here, and again now it's sticking out and everything, it will hurt your back. So in case that there was some hard insert and this would be sturdy, yeah, that would be a cool feature. But like this, I don't know, judge yourself. And yeah, I think that's all for the cons. But all in all, backpack is made pretty well, you know. Stitches are very nice. There are no stitches coming out. It's very heavy duty style. Now you have all these small straps all around. You have enough compartments, which I really like. That's why I bought it, to put some stuff all around that I don't need to, you know, dig inside of the backpack, and it's very nice for the one-day walk or something like that. So, but you don't need a lot of stuff. And alright, I will move to the pros. And the first one is that you have mole straps everywhere. That's very nice. From this side, from bottom, so mole everywhere. Zippers are very nicely made, that's for sure. They'll not break so easily. I'll do the close-up. And main thing is, it looks cool. At least it looks cool. Now from the bottom you have also straps here, which you don't see a lot, that you get it with the backpack, so it's very nice. And one more con is that there is no chest strap here, so you have only here. So yeah, and this is kind of nonsense if you don't have upper one, at least if you ask me. Now you have two D-rings here, which is nice. And okay, we'll make the final conclusion. Now for the final conclusion. Now we'll start with the price, and it's 65 bucks, which is around 380-400 kunas in Croatia. Now, and that's the main problem, because honestly it's not worth of that much money. And for the same price you can get Highlander Pro Force 33 liters, which is much higher quality made, and with the Highlander you get lifetime warranty. And I owned it, so I can say it for the first hand. It's much better, stitches are nicer, and all around made is just very different. And of course this one, it's not so bad. Only problem is that it costs, you know, a bit much for its quality, but it's fine for the 24 hours, for some bag out bag, which I bought it for, or for some trips when you don't want to carry camera on your, if you have DSLR and you don't want to carry it around your belt or something, you can put it inside. It looks very nicely. It looks nicely also when you are in the urban area, which is nice, you know, it doesn't scream some hiking, military and stuff, even though it has molly straps, but it looks cool. So that's the advantage of it in the urban areas. So with that being said, I don't know, I'll give it 6 out of 10. You be the judge. And thanks for watching again. If you like it, put a like, and I'll put links in the description, both of the MilTec and the Highlander Pro Force. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.